Example 7. Find the equation of the tangent line at the given point on the curve. X squared, y squared equals 100, and the given point is negative 5, 2. The equation of the tangent line is found by first finding the slope of the tangent line, and we're going to need implicit differentiation since we have both an x and y variable. And so the product rule says that we're going to have two functions. X squared is going to be our first one. I'll just call it f. And the second one we'll call y squared. Now we're going to do derivative with respect to x of this first one. It's going to be 2x. And the derivative with respect to x of the second one is going to be 2y dy dx. So using the product rule, we're going to have our first x squared times the derivative of our second, 2y dy dx, plus our second function, y squared, times the derivative of the first, 2x, equal to 0. Now I want to solve for dy dx because that's the formula for the slope of the tangent line. So I'm going to keep this first one, x squared 2y dy dx on this side, but I'm going to subtract to get negative y squared 2x to the other side. I want to divide both sides by x squared 2y to isolate my dy dx. So on the left-hand side, this divides to 1. And I'm left with the derivative of y with respect to x. And I can rearrange or leave it, it's just up to you. 2x y squared negative over x squared times 2y. And I'm going to do some reducing. These 2's will divide to 1. The x will leave an x in the denominator. And the y squared over y leaves a y in the numerator. So my formula for my slope of my tangent line is negative y over x. So that means, using my point, negative 5, 2, that my slope is the opposite of y, negative 2, over x, negative 5. So it's a positive 2/5. And now all I have to do is write the equation of the line with the slope of 2/5 that goes to the point negative 5, 2. So using y equals mx plus b, my y is 2, my m is 2/5, my x is negative 5 plus b, so 2 equals 5 into negative 5 is negative 1, so that's going to be a negative 2 plus b, add 2 to both sides, my b is 4. So y equals 2/5 x plus 4. That's the equation of the tangent line to that curve at that point.